This is a tutorial for creating a Google Earth tour. In this case, it's a tour of a few of the landforms near my home in Chiang Mai, Thailand. First thing we do in creating a Google Earth tour, of course, is to open Google Earth. Next, we want to go ahead and click on Places here and highlight My Places. Once we do that, we go up to the top toolbar here and click on Add Folder. Let's go ahead and name this folder Google Earth Tours. And then Google Earth Tour, your last name, in this case, Burton. Click on OK, and you'll see this tour, our tour, show up in My Places. Okay, we're going to show several of the locations of the landforms where we live. To start our tour, we want to go to our first location. In this case, I'm going to start with the lake near my house. It's called Hoi. Up here to the search box, Hoi, Tung, all right, Thao, Lake, in Chiang Mai, City, Country, Thailand. And hit return or search, and it will zoom in on the location of your first landform. This is Hoi Tung Thao Lake near my house. Okay, so the first thing let's go ahead and familiarize ourselves with some of the features of Google Earth. If you haven't done this already, both the zoom in feature, which is the plus, zoom out feature. You can control the point of view, straight top view, which is here, or in this kind of, you can do more of a horizontal or ground view. Okay, and then down here at this compass, you can go to the left or west, up or north, down, south, or to the right, which would be east. Okay. Let's go ahead and add our first place mark. So once again, zoom in to the place where you want. In this case, it's going to be the lake. And I'm going to have my place mark in the middle of the lake. So let's go ahead and add a place mark. Go up to the top toolbar, click on Add and Place Mark, and this yellow flashing push pin will appear. Put it where you want, in this case the middle of the lake, and then go ahead and name your place mark. In this case, it's Hoi Tung Thao Lake. And click OK, and you'll see that shows up underneath my tour. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and zoom out here a little bit and find my next landmark, which in this case is Suthep Mountain, just a little bit south of where we are here. Suthep Mountain. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process now of creating a place mark. Go to Add Place Mark. You'll have the yellow push pin. You're going to place it right on top of the mountain, and then name the place mark. In this case, Suthep Mountain. Click OK, and it too shows up underneath in my tour. Okay, we'll do one more. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so that I can see where I'm going. I want to go ahead and go over here to a valley. In this case, we're going to go down the mountain into this valley called Bong Pong Valley. Okay, Bong Pong Valley. Repeat the process of creating a place mark. Add place mark. Place the yellow push pin where I want it. In this case, right here in the middle of the valley. And then go ahead and name it. Bong Pong Valley. Click OK, and of course it shows up in my tour. Okay. Once you've completed all your place marks, it's time to record the narration for the tour, basically telling people the names of the landforms as you move from one to the other. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to, we'll zoom out so we can see all three. Go up here and you're going to go to this icon here, which is record a tour. Click on that and you're going to get down here two icons. In this case, we're going to click on the microphone icon, which is going to allow us to record. Okay? We'll go ahead and click on record. This is a Google Earth tour of the landforms near my home in Chiang Mai, Thailand. As you can see, our first landform is Hoi Tung Tau Lake in Chiang Mai. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and it zooms in to Hoi Tung Tau Lake. Our next landform is Suthep Mountain. Click on Suthep Mountain. We zoom to the mountain. And finally, we have Bong Pong Valley. Okay, these are just a few of the landforms near my home in Chiang Mai. See all three. Okay, so once you record your narration, go ahead and click on stop, and that's going to allow you to go ahead and check your narration. So let's go ahead and listen to it. This is a Google Earth tour of the landforms near my home in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So go ahead and check it. Make sure it's okay. If you're not satisfied, go ahead and re-record. And once you're satisfied, we're going to go ahead and save the project. In this case, we're going to go here to this icon here next to the X button, and click. This is the Save button. And we're going to give this now a new name. In this case, it's going to be Google Earth Tour Burton Narrated. Click OK, and that's my new tour. And if we click on that, of course, it's going to play our recorded tour for us. This is a Google Earth tour of the landforms near my home in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So that's the basic steps of creating a Google Earth tour. Good luck. Please, as always, if you have any questions, send me an email or send me a message on our platform. Bye-bye.